Hello everyone. Welcome back to our programming series. Today we are going to see about SkillRack daily challenge, that is a Python code to C. Now let's break this down and convert it to C. The Python code takes an input integer n, followed by a list of integers, and performs certain operations on each element of the list based on whether it's even or odd. Now let me explain what the C code does. We start by including necessary header. The main function is the entry point of the program. We declare the integer n to store the number of elements in the list and use scanf to read it from the user. Then, we allocate memory for an integer array numList of size n using malloc. Using a for loop, we read n integers into the numList array using scanf. Next, we iterate through each element of the numList array. If the element is even, numList i%2 equals 0, we double it, numList i asterisk equals 2. If it's odd, we square it, numList I equals numList I asterisk numList I. Finally, another for loop prints the modified numList array. Additionally, we free the dynamically allocated memory using free numList to prevent memory leaks. And that's how we've converted the Python code to equivalent C code, ensuring the same functionality and logic. I hope you found this explanation helpful. Thanks for watching.